Hello friends, I am back again with another DIY video, and if you have already seen my previous videos, you must be knowing like I am really obsessed with this aloe vera plant. This is very low maintenance plant. It doesn't require much sunlight, much water. If you even don't water it for 2-3 days, it's really okay. So there are immense benefits of aloe vera for hair and skin. So if you don't have this aloe vera plant at your home, I really recommend like you should have, and you will see the benefits. So I have made multiple videos on my channel regarding its benefits, so you can just have a watch. In this video I am going to tell you like how you can prepare your own aloe vera gel at home without investment. So we easily get aloe vera gel in market of different brands, but it may have some color, some preservative. So here in few steps I'll tell you like how you can prepare aloe vera gel at home and store it for at least 2 months. So here I am going to prepare aloe vera gel for about 250 ml. So while choosing the stems, you have to be careful, like the stem should be thick so that you can get enough aloe vera gel out of it. I am cutting the aloe vera stem from the end, so you have to do the similar way. And for 250 ml I'll be taking 3 stems, so one by one I'll pick them. So these are the 3 stems which I have picked. You can see on the screen. We have to keep them in standing position for at least 15 to 20 minutes because it has a yellow liquid inside it which is not good for skin and hairs. So we have to get rid of it. So 15-20 minutes are over now, and these stems are ready to use. What you have to do, you have to cut it from both the ends as it is shown on the screen. Also you have to cut from side to remove the edgy part, and the same activity you have to do for all the stems what are available. And after that we have to cut from middle to take the aloe vera gel extract out of it. Similarly I'll do for all the pieces you can see on the screen. Now we will take out the aloe vera extract with the help of 1 spoon as you can see on the screen, and we will put it in a jar because we have to grind it. So one tip I want to give it to you, this is very important tip. You can see on the screen like how I am extracting the aloe vera gel with the help of spoon. So if you will take the aloe vera leaf or stem in your hand and try to take it out, so it will be very greasy or sticky and you will get difficulty. So just put it on plate and then scratch the stem and take the aloe vera extract. So I have made a smooth paste out of aloe vera gel as you can see on the screen. In the similar way you have to grind it and make that much smooth paste. So now I'll take it in a clean bowl. After that you have to take rose water of any brand. Here I am using Dabur Gulabari rose water. So just put 10 to 12 drops of rose water in your aloe vera gel extract. Now you have to take vitamin E capsule. So it is very easily available in any medical store. So we just need 1 vitamin E capsule for this process. So just cut it out and take the extract out of it and put in the aloe vera gel mixture. So this vitamin E capsule is very good for skin and hairs both. So that's why we are putting it here. After that we will need some lemon drops. So we will need 8 to 10 drops of lemon. I have already squeezed it out. So I'll just put it here, and it will act as a preservative for this mixture. So we can store it for the long time, at least for 2 months. So then we will mix it gently so that all the ingredients will get mixed, and now you can fill it in any bottle or any container wherever you want to store it, and you can see like it's ready. So here you can see the mixture is still thin, but what we have to do now, like we have to keep it in fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours so that it will set well. So I have kept this mixture in around 1.5 hours in fridge, not in freezer. We have to keep in fridge, and you can see like how it became the thick, and it is looking exactly similar what we get in market. But the thing is like it's absolutely pure, absolutely organic, without color and preservative. So friends, it is really very good for skin and hair. Whenever you want to use it, just take it out of your fridge and use it. It's that simple. So try it out at your home. It's a really very simple DIY and purely organic. So hope you liked my video, and if you have any queries, so just put it in comment box. I'll get back to you. So thanks everyone for watching my video. If you really like my video, please like the videos, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you soon.